Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nadine Hill and today we are transforming this one piece jersey sweater thing into a two-piece. So we're making it like a crop top thingy with a shorts, with a bit of shorts, and it's so comfortable on my skin, I'm not gonna lie. Guys, just a quick disclaimer. Just a quick disclaimer, I am new to sewing, so whatever techniques you see that it's not on par with textbook or whatever, it's because I am not a professional. I'm still learning. There's a lot that I need to learn, so I'm still learning. And yeah, if you want to come with me on this journey of learning how to sew, please do consider subscribing to my channel, clicking the notification bell so you don't miss out when I upload a video, and give me a like, a thumbs up, or even a comment. It would be much appreciated. So let's get right into the video so you guys can see how I made this cool top. One more thing, I did not record this part. Let me just give you guys a close-up, that part of the thing, but everything else, the cutting of it, how I did the shorts and all of that, because I did make a short. Please do stay tuned to see all of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Hi guys, so yeah, I just took a pair of biker shorts and then I cut out the shape of the biker shorts. As you can see, it's not as long, like the waistband part wasn't covered, but it actually still sits very well. I like the way it came out. So you can take out a biker shorts that will fit you perfectly, or even just a shorts that will fit you nicely, and then trace it or cut it along the lines of that biker shorts or shorts. Make sure that you fold the shorts in half and that everything is straight.